Hi guys, I am back with new video and great strategy to help you get profit from the market. Today's strategy is scalp, and we work with it in the time frame of 5 minutes, and we do not change the type of candles and use them in regular mode. In the following, you will see that this strategy has a very high win rate and a reasonable risk to reward, and we use indicators that few people know about. General people do not know about these indicators. We need 3 indicators that we add to the chart from the indicators section. Bot alert. We go to the settings of this indicator and change the key value to 2 from the inputs section. We also change the ATR period number to 6. The second indicator, STC. We click on its settings from the inputs section. Set the length number to 80 and also set the fast length number to 27. Go to the style section and change the color of the first plot to white. And we make the color of the second plot purple. We exit the settings. The third and last indicator, hull suit. Which is mostly used to get approval for entry. Everything is ready. From the combination of these indicators, we make a setup with which we can trade. Strategy has rules. For long positions, the buy label should appear. 2. The STC indicator should be green and below the white line and rising and approaching the white line. 3. The hull suit indicator should be green. In this situation, we can take a long position. For short positions, 1. The sell tag should appear. 2. The STC indicator should be red and above the purple line, and it should also be downward and approaching the purple line. 3. The hull suit indicator should be red. In this situation, we can open a short position. Let's give examples and open positions in the live market so that you can learn better. In this area of the chart, there is a buy tag. The color of the hull suit indicator is green. Also, the STC indicator is under the white line and is green in color. And it is climbing and approaching the white line. All conditions are met and we open a long position. We place the stop loss under the previous floor, and we set the tip at least 2 times the stop loss. The transaction is closed with profit. In this part of the chart, there is a sell label and the hull suit indicator is also red. But if you pay attention to the STC indicator, you can see that the line is attached to the purple line and not above it. So the conditions are not ready for a short position and we don't take risks. In this section, there is a buy tag. Hull suit indicator color is green. And above all, the STC indicator is green and below the white line and is climbing and approaching the white line. So the conditions are met and we open a long position and set a stop loss and a tip. The transaction is closed with profit. Friends, I expect you to go to the chart and practice this strategy after watching the whole video. Practice until you master its rules. I am sure that with practice and persistence, you will get results. In these areas, there is a range chart and two signals are given. But when we check, I see that the STC indicator did not meet the condition. The top of the purple line is in the form of a straight line, and the green and red colors are both irregular. So we do not trade in these areas. In this area, there is a label of tuberculosis. The color of the whole suit indicator is red, and also the STC indicator line. It is red and above the purple line, and it is descending and approaching the purple line. So we open the shorts position and put a TP and stop loss. Place TP and stop loss for all trades. By following this point, you will perform better than many people. We have reached the end of the video. If you like the video, hit the like button. Also, if you have any questions, leave a comment so I can guide you. As homework, with the same strategy, open 3 trades and announce the result in the comments with details. Until the next video and new strategy.